So let's start with this one. Okay. So what you see in this picture first? First of all, before starting, what we'll do, we'll first of all see that what is the angle of that person, how the position and where he's looking, everything. Okay. So first thing that means we have to do mapping in mind. Okay, and always try to pick simple sketches in starting, otherwise you will get confused. So first of all, let's mark. See what we'll do, first of all, oval for face, that's it. Okay, and then the movement of shoulder, then one box for body part. Okay, this way. So this entire thing will cover in one box. Okay, and then what I'll do, I will add one line. That means this will help me to guess that the most of the part, the shoulder parts, the hand part is inside this box. Okay.
Aparna Joshi, FaceTime.
Okay. So see everything inside this box. Now check the angle like this. One shape for this leg and the another shape, that means another box, rectangle, and okay, so I'm sending you this picture. Okay, check this much. Also check the sitting posture. So like this you can check. So the angle of shoulder, the angle of elbow plus this knee part is almost the same line. Okay, now what you can do with this reference picture, try to come up with the shape, basic shape. Add the same oval, then upper body part. Okay, then these boxes for knees or the legs part. This way, first of all, we'll add the placement. Okay, then we'll move forward. Yes. So let's start with this one. Oval. Okay. And then shoulder part. Check the flow of shoulder. Keep your hand very light. Then I'm adding a box, this box. Okay, then this block for leg. Okay, so you can see this part is very long, this part. Okay, knee is starting here where he has placed his hand. यहाँ से knee वाला part start हो रहा है, then it's long, that means this area is stretched. Okay, and then one for this angle. Something like this. Okay, so one block this way. Okay, and now this area is the hands part. And then the angle for that hand. So now adding block for this hand. So this box for the hand joining like this. Okay, तो ये इस वाले के लिए I have what I did. इसको we are not working on details, simply I just added one box. Okay, so this is just a basic placement. You have to just come up with the placement, correct placement. Rest details, how to add fingers and all, we will talk later. Okay, this is just a starting. That means you have to come up with the stick drawing or blocks. ब्लॉक की हेल्प से वी कैन चेक कि कहाँ पे आपका हेड पोर्शन आएगा, कितना आपका शोल्डर पार्ट है, कितना आपका हैंड्स का मूवमेंट है, ऑल दैट. दिस इज द बेसिक कंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, hand and then again this is the block for hand. Okay, now after doing the placement, okay, so this way you can also check that how much this leg is tilted, what is the angle. Okay, this way you can check. Put your pencil like this and it's something like this. That means maybe this is the angle. Okay, so I'm adding that line. So this is the block for my leg part, oh sorry, your foot part. Then this is another one, the toe part. Okay, so rough placement we have done. Now it's time to peel that shape. And now the next thing, when we are working on face, so simply what you can do, divide your face. So adding one line from center. The center line is for the facial features. Okay, so simply you can add that line, and now you can see where he is looking. Okay, the eye angle is like this way. Okay, up below the this is the eye angle, and he is looking something like this, so it's tilted this way. So what I'll do, I will simply add a line like this. Okay, and then one more line. So this line will be the half of this full line. This line, I have to add this eye line somewhere in middle, and then the half of the space again I will divide into half area, and this will be for the nose line. That's it. In starting you have to only denote faces like this. Okay, no need to complicate. Done. Then now let's work on the body. Okay, now as you know, this is the quick sketch, so we'll keep on moving the hand like this. And for quick sketches, even you can hold your pencil this way. You can hold your pencil this way and then do your work. And you can see my lid, it's long, and I will use this way. This way will restrict your flow. Okay, so to increase more flow in your work, you can hold your pencil this way. Keep your hand very light. Just follow those lines. And for now, the quick sketches, how can I make this type of effect? This type, simply I will go and add these type of lines, zigzag. Okay, because we are just working on impression, not the perfect sketch. So in quick sketches, we just do like this. Then check the movement, check the angle, how the wrist is moving. Then again I'll check this line.